In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the invoice on Alibaba. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Alibaba. You'll see the official Alibaba.com link near the top of the results. Click that to go straight to the site. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're signed in. If you're already logged in, you'll see your account area at the top. If not, use your credentials to log in so your orders and billing information are available. After you're signed in, look toward the top navigation bar for the orders icon. Depending on your screen size, it might say orders or appear as an icon that takes you to your order list. Click it to open your full list of purchases. This is where every trade assurance order and most transactions are organized, making it the best place to locate invoices tied to each order. On the orders page, choose the specific order you want to get the invoice for. If you have many orders, use the search box, date filters, or status filters to find it faster. Clicking the right order ensures you'll pull the correct document for your bookkeeping or tax records. With the order selected, look for the View More option on that order. Click View More to open the detailed order page. This expands the information beyond the quick summary and reveals additional sections such as payment details, shipping info, and documents. Inside the expanded details, scan for a section labeled Invoice, Tax Invoice, or Commercial Invoice. On many orders, you'll see a link or button to view, download, or print the invoice, often provided as a PDF. If you don't immediately see it, check any billing, payment, or files or attachments areas within the order details. Sometimes the invoice appears after payment is fully confirmed or once the supplier uploads it. So if it isn't there yet, give it a little time and check back. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If a link doesn't open, disable pop-up blockers for Alibaba or try another browser. If your order involves multiple shipments, make sure you open the right shipment line before looking for the invoice. And if the invoice is missing or needs edits, message the supplier through the order page and request the document or an updated version. That's it. Search Alibaba, open the site, log in, go to your orders, pick the order, click View More, and locate the invoice within the expanded details. Follow these steps and you'll have your invoice ready to view, download, or print in no time.